Hi parents, I'm Ms. Conrado. I am your student 6th grade math and science teacher for this year. Let's get started with our math syllabus. If you've already watched the math syllabus from our collab math class, then you can go ahead and skip to all the way until you get to our science, okay? So to go over it again, our math syllabus, on the left is my contact information if you ever need to get a hold of me. And this year we're really excited because it's their first year in middle school math. So assignments and grading might look a little bit different. Assignments are going to be graded at 60-40 to equal a whole 100%. 60% of your students' grade is for assessments, and then 40% of their grade is for classwork, homework, and participation. They're going to take 2 assessments per topic. The first assessment will be the mid-topic assessment, and then they'll have the end-of-topic assessment at the end of the topic. If they do not do well on either of these assessments, they will have the opportunity to retake any assessment for a higher score. Their score will never lower, even if they get a lower score than the original score. We will give them an allotted time of 2 weeks to make this up. So just continue reminding your student if they do plan on retaking the test or assessment, so then they can really better understand math this year. As for classwork, homework, and participation, we really do want them to show their work, make sure that they are turning in their assignments, so then I can better help them understand their skills and strengthen what they need to know in math. So with that being said, if they ever are missing an assignment, I might keep them in at lunch just to make sure that they get those assignments completed so we can work together, and maybe it's something that they might struggle on at home and forget to ask me in class. Our assignments, classwork, and homework will be given daily. However, because of everything that they've just gone through, they will get more than one day, about 2 days to 3 days to work on an assignment. Some resources. Their course syllabus includes their math textbook is something that they're going to take home and bring to school every single day. This is a consumable, so they will be tearing out pages and also doing all of their homework in this math textbook. We also offer an online version of this math textbook, depending on how they want to turn in their homework or assignments. We will be using the online version to take all assessments in class. We do make sure that we say no work, no credit. We want to make sure that they are. And then some other apps that will help them be resourceful this year is going to be Clever, Teams, Outlook for their student email. I'll be sending emails home frequently. And then, of course, their online textbook and Aries. This year, they're going to get an interactive notes packet. So we've already made a packet and given it to them. And then also on OneNote, we have a lot of resources, including their supply list, making sure that they bring a pencil, eraser, headphones or earbuds in case we do use the computer. They are allowed to use it, different color highlighters, and a grading pen. I will also be their science teacher this year, which I'm super excited about. Again, my information is on the left-hand side of your screen if you ever need to get a hold of me. For assignments and grading, it's going to be 50-50 to equal a whole 100%. 50% of their grade is due to their independent classwork and participation, and then the other 50% is made up of assessments and culminating projects. Tests will be given with review work prior. We don't have too many. It will be more just our culminating projects to assess their skills and knowledge. Just our expectations in science, we will be working with a lot of different materials. So just to remember to practice our rules of being safe, being responsible, and being respectful. Homework is rarely given in science, hardly anything. If they do have homework, it's really just finishing anything that they didn't finish in class. But it is suggested that they are focusing, because I will always make sure that they do have enough time in science class to finish anything before they have to take it home. Our resources for science is making sure that we do understand we're going to be looking at disciplinary core ideas of physical science, life science, earth science, space science, and applying it as they are all integrated with each other. We're also making sure throughout the whole year in every unit that we understand that we can analyze and interpret data. We're going to develop by using models and asking questions and defining some problems here. We're always going to be talking about cross-cutting concepts. We made sure that we reviewed this and took a quiz on it. This way we really understood that they knew what our cross-cutting concepts were. And then all of the units that we're going to be covering are at the very bottom right-hand side. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to do many science experiments in our class and really dive into all of our disciplinary core ideas in science. Thank you so much. I hope to have a great year with your student.